Marhaba. Thank you for being with us today. It's a pleasure to welcome you here in Istanbul. As you know, in last October, we presented the Renault Brand International Game Plan 2027 and how we will implement it in Latin America. Okay, it was in Brazil. And today, we are very pleased to show you how this plan will take shape here in Turkey. This plan is made possible thanks to the Renault Group industrial transformation that Thierry Charvet will share with you in a few moments. Thank you, Thierry, for being with us today. You are our turbo. Thank you very much. Turkey is a strategic market for Renault. We have been present, as you know, in Turkey for 54 years in a successful partnership with Oya Group. And I would like to thank you all for your presence, and of course to thank the CEO, Savaş Erdem, for this fruitful partnership. Oya Renault produced more than 7.5 million cars from our Bursa plant, and 1 in 7 cars sold in Turkey is a Renault. Before going into the details of the Renault Turkey plan, I would like to quickly remind you of the key principles of the Renault International Game Plan 2027. This plan has been designed to complement our strategy in Europe and to make the Renault brand stronger, global, and more profitable. We will invest 3 billion euros. We will launch 8 new models by 2027, and more than half of these models will be in the C and D segments. Of course, we want also to accelerate the electrification of our lineup with hybrids and global electric products. That's why by 2027, 1 in 3 Renault cars sold outside Europe will be either hybrid or electric. All this with the same focus on value. The plan will deliver a double net revenue per unit compared to 2019. Why do we want to do this? Because we have an ambition to transform our brand worldwide, to bring brand consistency across all markets, to enhance our competitiveness with more synergies between hubs, and of course, for our customers, to introduce breakthrough products meeting customer needs and generating value and profitability. This is exactly what we want to do in Turkey, with 2 main objectives. First, we want to become the #1 brand in Turkey, with a full lineup produced in our Bursa plant and focused on high-value segments such as SUVs or electrified technologies. Second, we want also to transform Turkey into an export hub, but not only for Europe as it is today, but for many other regions in the world. For more details about the plan, I will now hand over to Jan Ptacek, CEO of Renault Group in Turkey. Jan, the floor is yours. Thank you.
Herkese merhaba, hoş geldiniz. Bonjour à tous, bienvenue en Turkey. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being with us. Our ambition is clear, to be market leader in Turkey and to create a hub in Turkey enabling to export not only to Europe, but also to other countries around the world. How are we going to be a market leader? Our strategy is built on 3 pillars: new products, local production, and electrification. Today, I am pleased to announce that before 2027, we plan to localize 4 new Renault models here in our Bursa plant. And I can even tell you more. 3 of these new cars will be SUVs. In fact, as you know, there is a clear trend that has emerged in recent years, a substantial increase in the B SUV and C SUV segments. And today, these segments are the most popular in Turkey, where these segments are capturing more than 50% of the market. That's why, with the full range of SUVs in Turkey, we will cover all customer needs in B and C SUV segments and reinforce our brand leadership. By the way, we will present you in a few minutes one of these new products. Local production is also extremely important to be competitive here in Turkey. As of today, 8 of top 10 most sold models in Turkey are manufactured locally. Our commitment, nevertheless, doesn't stop here. Another important priority is electrification. By 2027, our lineup will see a significant increase in hybrid and electric vehicle sales, contributing to the transformation of the Turkish market. We have already made an important step in 2023 because we launched 2 HEV models, Clio and Austral, and also 100% electric Megane E-Tech. The big news is still yet to come. The new generation of hybrid engine will be localized in Turkey by 2025. And from then on, every new localized model will offer a hybrid engine option. We plan that our electrified cars will represent 1/3 of our sales in Turkey by 2027. And now, I would like to invite Berk Bey, CEO of Renault Mais, Sales and Marketing joint venture, to join me on stage. Thank you, Berk.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, dear valuable guests, I'm going to be very pleased to be here with you, making this presentation to you, in which we're going to be revealing a completely new product here to you as the distinguished automotive press members in Turkey. But before that, actually, I want to explain that, as you know, that Renault brand in Turkey is perceived as a local brand. And I'm very sure that everybody in this room, sitting in this room right now, in one time or 2 times in their lifetime have an experience with a Renault car, or they have their own car in Renault. For example, myself, I learned how to drive in a Renault. So, as of today, I'm very pleased to present to you a new product that we have prepared for Turkish market. This is very important for us, and this is going to be one of the main trigger factors in competition in the automotive market. And this product will give us a specific strength behind us. The new Renault Duster. And more on that, I would like to announce that as early as 2024, the new Renault Duster will be the first among the 3 SUVs that we plan to be localized in Turkey. And this is very important as well. And here are some images of Renault Duster you are going to see on the screen right now. As you see, it's a fantastic car. More than Duster than ever. New Renault Duster will continue the success story of Duster because we made so many successful things with this car in Turkey so far. It's a real true icon for more than 13 years of its career in the worldwide. And its worldwide success has made Duster a model that is recognized, widely recognized, and undeniably popular for our customers. likewise in Turkey, like everywhere. And over 1.7 million units of Duster have been sold so far in the worldwide. This is a great number for an SUV. And now, Renault Duster is reinventing its design while keeping the old qualities that we are quite used to have it on the car and have made previous generations so successful. With Duster and the new SUV lines, which will be produced at the Bursa plant, the Renault brand will have the complete SUV range in Turkey. And this also will give us a specific and very powerful strength behind us. This is very important. I'm a seller, I'm saying this. The new Renault Duster will come in Turkey with, of course, needless to say, an impressive SUV design, robust and very assertive. Robustness, sturdiness, and off-road capabilities, of course, the undesistible pillars of this model. And also it comes with a hybrid technology. The energy transition, as you all know, is one of the Renault's key priorities in our International Games 2027. With new Duster, Renault will offer its customers to an efficient hybrid powertrain as well. Renault Duster will be in the sale in Turkey in the second half of the year 2024. I'm very impatient and really I can't wait for this. Of course, needless to say, I would like to confirm as the CEO, as the general manager of this company, as a seller, as a street man, I would like to confirm that our commitment to be the market leader in Turkey, in automotive market, by offering diverse, locally produced, this is very important, because it gives us a specific strength on competition, local products, and electrified vehicles. The new range, of course, that we're going to have, and the focus on SUVs will give us an unprecedented boost to our business and to the Renault brand success at the same time. And as you all know, you're very experienced automotive press people here. As you very well know, like the rest of the world, SUV segment is, and especially this body type, has gained popularity in all over the world, likewise in Turkey. When just looking at our 2023 sales results in the whole sector, you're going to see that 50% and more than 50% of total sales are made on SUVs. And we have launched our C-SUV Austral, as you all know, in 2023, which gave us a big impulse on our sales on SUV side, SUV sales. And in the future, we will have more SUV products, models, of course, in the range to be launched, and this will enhance our performance in SUV segment as well. As everyone knows, having a domestic car, having a domestic vehicle produced here in Turkey is so important in competition. And this is always the primary reason why the consumers or buyers choose this car. It's domestically produced. It's a locally produced one. And this is so important in Turkish automotive market. For example, Clio. We have created a great success with this car in Turkey. It is 50%, almost 50% market share in B hatchback segment, B's hatchback segment, as you know. We are far away from the second one in the market. And likewise, the other one, Megane Sedan, locally produced in Turkey again. These two are the 5 best-selling cars in Turkey. And with Clio, we are #1 in our segment for years. And likewise, the same as well in November 2023. And also, when just looking at the total sales in passenger car market, we are the leader. We are the market leader by selling approximately 11,500 units. This is so good. Although we have this kind of surrounding competition, especially coming from the newcomers, as you know, all of them, better than me. Although insane price discountings, we have number one. We are number one, thanks to Renault brand portfolio and the performance that we have shown in the market. So in totally, in the year 2023 till now, we are in the total automotive market, entire automotive market, including LCVs, we have been ranked as the second one. And this is great success as well. Of course, it's not enough. My target is being number one, and I will be. We will be together. And I'm sure that with the new model portfolio, we are going to reinforce this position with Renault Duster, which will be produced in Oyak Renault factories in Bursa. We, as MAIS, always giving a special importance to our customer needs and customer necessities, and we always drill what the customer wants and what the customer needs, what the customer buys. This is very important. So establishing a brand portfolio, a vehicle portfolio, is so important in Turkey. Turkey is a different market. So we are going to be doing our best in Turkey with this new model portfolio. And Renault, as you know, not just locally produced one, of course, give a special strength to us, of course, in the competition, needless to say, but also we are importing a lot of different range of Renault brand cars from Renault. Parallel to the dynamics, automotive dynamics in Turkey, and this will continue because we have to present and we have to cover approximately 96% of total automotive needs of the market. This should be the target for us, and Renault does this right now. That's why in the competition, these are the main pillars, main factors to be followed very carefully by us. We bring high-tech models to our customers, thanks to our partner, valuable partner, Renault's robust and modern product range. And we are serving Turkish market, and also Renault serves in the other markets as well. With this new strategic move we're going to have, I believe that we will be more assertive and powerful on Turkish automotive market. The fact that many manufacturers, as I said just a little while ago, have recently entered Turkish automotive market and bringing a new competition and having a new market share and everything, and this can be seen as the bad factors, but it's good. It's good. So we are going to see a kind of diversification later on the market, and we will see this, thanks to Renault's new product range. In this environment, we as Renault, we also move forward with our strengthened model range. I'm very trustful to new model range in Turkey. Of course, needless to say, the contribution to be made by the strong partnership between Oyak, which is the largest conglomerate in Turkey, and Renault, to the country's exports and to the development of the domestic market are the promising factors for being in the automotive business here in Turkey. This is very important. And as a person, I'm so confident, and a person who has been in this sector for 25 years, I'm also very proud of this, to be a part of this partnership here in Turkey. And that's why I would like to thank Oyak, which has always been our biggest supporter behind us, and Renault's distinguished senior management always help us a lot. Once again, for the unceasing, unwavering support to the business that we have in Turkey. And now, I would like to hand over back to Jan Pitacek. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Thank you. Thank you, Berk Bey. Today marks an important moment in the Renault brand history in Turkey. We have announced our ambition to be a leader on the Turkish market with the new products. But our ambition goes far beyond that. We plan to create an export hub in Turkey. Currently, 75% of our production is exported primarily to Europe. Looking ahead, our vision is to extend the presence of the Renault brand to all markets around Turkey, exporting our future CSUVs to more than 50 countries, especially in the Middle East, Africa, and other regions. To build an efficient industrial hub, our Bursa plant is absolutely key industrial asset. The Oyak Renault plant stands as the largest passenger car production capacity in Turkey. We are taking a step further with introduction of the Renault Group new modular platform in Bursa plant before 2026. This platform is flexible and incredibly efficient, accommodating a wide range of powertrains. It means that the platform can develop a range of vehicles having overall length from 4 to 5 meters. It also gives the possibility to get 4 wheelbases from 2.6 meters to 3 meters. It can get a wide range of powertrain technologies to get much improved emissions, ICE engines, flex fuel, LPG, mild hybrid, 48 volts, as well as full hybrid powertrain. It will get also 4-wheel drive transmissions, electrical or mechanical. This platform will be the base of our future CSUVs. To achieve this, Renault will boost its R&D activities significantly. In fact, by 2025, our R&D center in Bursa will have 500 engineers, which means doubling the staff in comparison with 2022. This expansion will empower our Turkish team to contribute to the development of the new models, but also to grow the local engineering competencies. At the same time, we are reinforcing our procurement team to leverage the potential of the local suppliers' ecosystem, ensuring a strong localized presence of our new models. To make this ambitious plan, Renault Group and its partner Oyak plan to invest more than 400 million euros through Oyak Renault joint venture to implement the production of new models and engines in Turkey. This investment emphasizes our strong belief in the potential of this region and its key role in Renault International game plan. Turkey is about to become an important hub for Renault International activities in production, export, procurement, engineering, and all other related activities. It will consolidate our leadership, not just in the Turkish market, but also on the global stage. And now I am delighted to give the floor to Executive Vice President for Industry and Quality, Thierry Charvet. Thierry, floor is yours.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, mesdames et messieurs. I am very proud to be here with you in Istanbul to present the Renault Group Industrial Transformation Plan. I would like first to point out the importance of our factory in Bursa in our industrial family. With an annual production steadily more than 300,000 vehicles for the last 10 years, and with more than 50 years of excellence, they are fully part of the Renault Group industry history. Yesterday, I spent a whole day on the shop floor, and trust me, the quality of execution and the commitment of Bursa people are really unbelievable. As you understood from my colleagues, Bursa will once again play a key role in our new business ambition, and it is a great opportunity for me to be here with you to present our transformation plan, Re-Industry. Let's be clear. We aim to reduce our industrial cost per vehicle by 30% for internal combustion vehicle and 50% for electric engine vehicle by 2027. In the meantime, we will make Renault Group industry faster, more sustainable, more competitive, and more agile with no other purpose but fulfill our customer expectation toward quality and high technology of our cars. How will we achieve this? Renault Group is already in a strong position to manage the historic turning point industry automotive is facing. The quality of our cars shows outstanding results, putting our product reliability at the top of the league. Our factories have remained steadily at the head of the Harbour report, an independent study that compares the performance of industrial sites among all the OEM all over the world. Now, it is time to accelerate. Renault Group is the first manufacturer to launch an industrial metaverse. We are a worldwide benchmark in this field, and we intend to remain so. We capture 2 million data every minute, 3 billion every day, which we analyze consistently. By controlling the entire system in real time, we detect anywhere, any kind of deviations in real time and fix them before they become real issues. The way we are focused to gather and manage our industrial data gives us also a major competitive advantage to push forward artificial intelligence at scale. Right now, more than 300 quality, safety, energy, maintenance devices based on machine learning and other AI algorithms are running in our plant on a daily basis, and we are targeting 3,000 devices by 2025. As a concrete examples, this monitoring of production equipment have paved the way for predictive maintenance and unplanned downtime reduction. This enables us to maintain high productivity while reducing maintenance costs. The metaverse also enables seamless communication between the various players involved in vehicle productions, including suppliers, logistic providers, and leading to a reduction in vehicle delivery time and the optimization of our end-to-end supply chain. In 2023, the metaverse already saved 270 million euros. By 2025, we target a 60% reduction in vehicle delivery time and a 40% reduction in the ramp-up to launch new models, which is a major contribution to reduce development time of our cars. We will cut by 2 the carbon footprint of each vehicle produced, and of course, we will significantly improve customer satisfaction through a much better management of their needs in real time. This acceleration of the digital transformation will contribute to manufacture the future R5 in less than 9 hours in our Douai manufacture. Artificial intelligence also gives us a predictive approach to energy consumption. The group is already, you know, one of the world's top 3 manufacturers in terms of energy efficiency and industrial CO2 emission. We are aiming for a 50% reduction in energy consumptions per vehicle produced by 2025. And we are on track because we already spent half of a journey. All over the world, our teams are committed to reduce dramatically resources consumptions, and Bursa is one of our leading plants. In terms of emission from our factories, we committed to be zero carbon, and believe me, Bursa is ready to do so. Finally, for the last 4 years, we are working obsessionally to make our vehicle production line fully flexible. Now it is time to get the full benefit. Our industrial system is incredibly agile. As my friends told you, we will introduce 4 new models in Bursa within a historical short time. We are able to do so in all our plants with an investment cost cut by 2. Thanks to this, Renault Group industry is ready to launch not less than 12 models in 24, 1 a month. That is just the beginning. Renault Group's industry transformation plan marks a revolution in automotive production. Faster, more sustainable, more competitive, and definitely more agile, this new chapter reaffirms the group's commitment to innovate and to build the future of the automotive industry. Women and men of our industry are more than ever dedicated and inspired to serve our customers, to stay at the top of the league, and in the meantime, to write a new chapter in the Renault Group's industrial history, resolutely modern, resolutely sustainable. Thank you for your attention.